How to use Aviva Stocks Shares ISA properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Aviva Stocks and Shares ISA is one of the most flexible tax-efficient investment accounts in the UK. But many beginners use it wrong and lose out on growth opportunities. Here's how to use it properly and the mistakes that cost you. The first mistake is not taking advantage of the annual ISA allowance. For 2025 you can invest up to 20 tax-free. Many people deposit only small amounts or wait until the end of the tax year, but starting early gives your money more time to grow. Next, don't ignore fund selection. Aviva offers ready-made portfolios based on risk levels, but you can also pick from thousands of individual funds. Beginners often choose randomly or chase past performance instead. Look for low-cost, diversified funds that match your long-term goals. Another big mistake? Not reviewing your risk profile. Your comfort with volatility changes over time, especially after major life events. Adjusting your portfolio annually keeps it aligned with your goals. Pro tip: use Aviva's Portfolio Builder tool. It helps visualize how different funds and asset classes work together, perfect for balancing growth and stability. And here's something most investors don't realize: Aviva lets you transfer all ISAs or pensions into one place, simplifying management and potentially reducing fees. The surprising truth? The best ISA isn't the one that earns the most in a year, it's the one you stay consistent with for decades. So invest early, diversify smartly and review regularly. Used properly, Aviva Stocks and Shares ISA can be your quiet engine for long-term, tax-free growth.